Okay, I'm not actually going to waste your time. So we actually need two main things: a browser and a code editor, a software that where we can actually code. So you have a browser, I guess, and you also have a editor. Like if you use Windows, you have Notepad where you can write code, but this is not actually very convenient. So I will actually going to suggest you two software. You can use any other software, but I'm actually going to suggest you two software, and these two are like in industry standards, everyone uses them. The first one is a browser, and we actually going to use the Google Chrome. You can search it on the Google, and you can download this Google Chrome and install it in your operating system. Then we actually going to use another software called VsCode. It is for writing code. Here we will actually going to write codes. You can also use any other code editor if you want, like Sublime Text or brackets or something. They are also good, but I'm not going to suggest them. Actually these two are the industry standard, everyone uses them. So first install the Google Chrome, and the second one is install the VS Code. I guess you can do that. If you can't, and then search it on the internet, you will actually can install this too. After installing them, set up the Google Chrome with your IDs or something. And I'm actually going to show you something else, that after installing the VS Code, we actually need to install some more things here. And if you open the VS Code after installing it, then there will be this will be not the look of your VS Code, the software. It is actually different. Mine is a little bit different because I'm actually using a theme, so it actually changes the appearance a little bit, the colors and here and there. And I'm going to tell you the theme, but first let me tell you some important things that we actually need. So we will go to the extension section. Here extensions, you can also come here by typing Ctrl+Shift+X. okay, you can also click this icon if you want to come here. And the first thing we want is we are going to search here, search bar. You can search here by live server. We are going to search live server and we are going to go here by read weekday. And for you it will be installed, but for mine it is uninstalled now because I'm already installed it. And the next one will be the auto rename. You can also search it by this name, by John Han. You can also install it. It will actually going to write a little bit code for you automatically. And the theme I'm actually using is AUE, this theme. You can also install it and can use it by after installing it. You will type Ctrl+Shift+P, and that box will open, and you will search for this one. You will like with arrow, by moving the arrow up or down, you will search this preferences and color theme. After finding it, you will go enter it, go to this thing, and you will try to find the AU dark border, what I am actually using right now. You can also use this one or use any other theme, if whatever you actually like. Okay, you can change it and then you will press enter. So I'm not actually going to change it right now because I like this theme a little, so you can also use this one. So this is for now. Install the Google Chrome and the VS Code and install these extensions. And in the next video I'm actually going to show you the basic HTML code, and we are going to see the output also. So see you in the next video.